So today we're going to open up the Melissa and Doug wooden pirate chest. This chest is filled with an eye patch, a bag of gold, and a pirate bandana, and it's geared for ages 6 and up. So let's check it out. So I'm really excited to see the items inside. And the packaging, it does also say that there is a secret compartment for treasure. So we'll have to figure out where that is. This is a wooden box. It's kind of got like a cool distressed aged detail on the paint, which I think is really fun. And it also has this skull piece that is kind of the latch. So if we give it a turn, oh, that's really cool. Oh, this is really nice. Okay. All right. This is our cute little bag of coins. It's kind of like a nice velvety bag. It's just a little drawstring. Oh, nice. You get a lot of pieces. How fun. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. Your little eye patch, and it's got a Velcro piece. So it's a little adjustable, but it's nice and it has some give. So that'll sit on anyone. And then let's check out our pirate flag. Oh, cool. This is so fun. Oh, this is a really good size, too. This is huge. Oh, how fun. Oh, I like that a lot. So cute. Okay, now let's check out. Now, the inside of the box looks plain, looks empty, right? But if you look closely, there is a little spot here where one of the pieces comes out, and it's got space underneath for your little hidden treasures. That is so cute. Very well thought out. And then you just stick that right back. That is so cool. This is really insanely simple, but a lot of thought went into this, and there's a lot of different ways to play too. I mean, yeah, it's pirates. That's really specific, but the pieces are enough to get you started. And if you have, a nice big box from something that you got delivered to your home, you can turn that into your pirate ship or a cave where you can hide your treasure chest. Something else that would be really fun is that your child can use this for their very own little treasures. I remember having my own little things that I used to collect, and this would have been so fun to put in my room and to hide. And yeah, I really like that a lot. So cute.